Are you seeing the message Wi-Fi calling? You have registered the maximum number of devices on your iPhone? I know how annoying that can be. Don't worry though, I've got some simple solutions to help you get back on track. Let's dive right in and fix this issue together. Solution 1. Sign out of other devices. If you're seeing this error, it might mean that you have Wi-Fi calling enabled on more devices than you actually need. Here's how to clean things up. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Apps. Scroll down again and tap on Phone. Tap on Wi-Fi calling. You'll now see a list of devices. Look through the list and sign out of any devices you no longer use or do not need Wi-Fi calling on. Solution 2. Remove devices from your Apple ID. If you've got several devices linked to your Apple ID, it might help to remove the ones you're not using anymore. Here's how to do it. Open Settings on your iPhone. Tap on your name at the top of the very screen. Scroll down to see all the devices connected to your Apple ID. Tap on any device you want to remove and then tap Remove from Account. Solution 3. Reset network settings. Sometimes resetting your network settings can solve any configuration issues that might be causing this problem. Just follow these steps. Open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap General. Tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone and then tap Reset. Choose Reset network settings and confirm your choice. Note, this will erase all saved Wi-Fi passwords, so make sure you have those handy. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the Wi-Fi calling. You have registered the maximum number of devices error on your iPhone and start using Wi-Fi calling again. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.